1inch Crypto Exchange Review, my usage experience. In this video, I'll give you a detailed review of 1inch Crypto Exchange based on my personal usage experience. 1inch is a decentralized exchange, DEX aggregator, designed to find the best prices across a wide range of DEXs. Its main goal is to provide users with the lowest possible slippage and the most competitive trading fees by splitting trades across multiple liquidity sources. This platform is tailored for anyone from casual crypto traders to seasoned professionals looking to maximize trading efficiency and minimize costs. One of the standout features of 1inch is its powerful aggregation technology. It pulls data from various liquidity sources, including popular DEXs like Uniswap, SushiSwap, and Balancer, among others. This gives you access to a broader pool of liquidity than any single DEX, making it easier to execute large trades without significantly affecting the price. In my experience, this functionality has been seamless and efficient, with minimal delays or unexpected slippage. The swap process itself is fast and intuitive, with a clean interface that makes it easy to track multiple transactions in real time. Another key feature is the 1inch limit order protocol, which allows you to set specific prices for your trades, even on decentralized exchanges. This is incredibly helpful if you're not available to monitor the market constantly. I also appreciate the 1inch liquidity protocol, which allows users to stake tokens and earn rewards, further enhancing the platform's utility. Additionally, the platform supports a wide range of tokens and provides excellent cross-chain functionality, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and others. This ensures you're not limited in your trading options. One of the areas where 1inch excels is in its low fees. While the platform does charge small network fees for transactions, the overall cost remains competitive compared to other exchanges. On top of that, the platform is user-friendly enough for beginners, but still powerful enough for advanced traders. I've also noticed regular updates, improvements, and added features, which shows the team's commitment to refining the platform. Overall, 1inch Crypto Exchange is a solid choice for anyone serious about decentralized trading. Whether you're looking for more liquidity, lower fees, or enhanced security, this platform delivers. It's not perfect, but it's definitely one of the best in its class. If you're looking to get the most out of your crypto trades, 1inch is definitely worth a look.